The Chinese have always had a belief in ancestor worship. As early as the Han Dynasty, ancestor worship is a very important tradition during the Spring Festival. When the whole family reunited on the eve of Lunar New Year, people will express gratitude to their ancestors, light incense, kowtow, and pray for blessings. Chinese believe that filial piety is one of the virtues to be held above all else. Prudent attendance at parents' funeral and respectful worship of ancestors are important rituals. The night before Chinese New Year is the peak of the Spring Festival. After a few days of busy preparations, the whole family sits together and has dinner to celebrate the reunion. They stay up late and wait for the arrival of the New Year. In Chinese, the reunion is 团圆. 团圆 dinner is the most important thing in the Spring Festival. People eat dumplings and talk about the past year. It is the happiest period of the Spring Festival. During the dinner, the juniors bow their heads and greet seniors, wishing them health and longevity. The senior will give juniors Ya Sui Qian, a red pocket with money given on the New Year's Day that is unique to the Spring Festival. The Han folks believe that Ya Sui Qian can defend against evils and protect the juniors. The tradition of 守岁, guarding the year, originates from a folktale. In ancient China, there lived a monster named Sui, with a black body and white hands. It always went out to devour the children on the New Year's Eve. Therefore, every household lights up the lanterns and stay up all night to protect the children. People call this activity 守岁. Gradually, the habit of staying up late on the New Year's Eve is formed. Nowadays, Chinese people all over the world are watching the Spring Festival show while having a 团圆 dinner. No matter how far apart they are, they can enjoy the same experience at the same moment as they're together. Today is the Lunar New Year Eve. We wish everyone 新年快乐，恭喜发财。